Okay, we're gonna try the next thing in this vibration thing I'm trying to figure out, or shutter. I know it says motor mount, but I found a transmission mount for this truck, and we're gonna throw it in and see if that fixes our problem. Okay, now I gotta get the other ones off. Mark has one of those runoff tools, and I am willing to give it a try. Oh, fiddlesticks. Need me one of them there wobble sockets. Okay, we're back. I forgot I had a wobble ratchet, and that's gonna help for the other side of this. Let's see if we can get it broke free right now. You know, I always wondered, why would somebody want one of these? Now I know. Oh, I'm gonna smack my hand on something. It's gonna make me really sad. Leverage. Nope. There we go. We got it. Okay. Make sure I'm not breaking anything. Nope. Cool. There we go. Here's the old one. It did not look that bad. Maybe I'm missing something here, but I don't know if that's gonna be what does it. Where the hell's the hole? Oh, they slide. All right, cool. I don't know if this is gonna fix my problem, guys. Not gonna lie to you, but I'm hoping it does. I want to be positive, but my negativity in me just says this probably not gonna work. But it's not gonna hurt it. That's for sure. Right? Somebody please tell me, right? This sucker just, it says 15 on the socket, but whatever this cheap wrench is, it ain't a 15, brother. I get a socket on there. We're in. Okay. We're good now. I swear. Oh, I pushed it back down. I forgot. I'm so stupid. I should have tightened it. This is so weird. This wrench sucks. Really hope this is. It's definitely gonna make it better. Just kind of hope it fixes the entire problem. You know what I mean? What are we on? 2? 2. 2's enough. That's good.